I invented number 6.
Wow, really?
No, I lied.
How do they even install these, bro?
I think they install them and then build ocean around it.
That makes the most sense, I think.
Finally learned how to use my air fryer.
Curious as to what air means to you, bro.
Adrian.
Got too drunk I accidentally made muffouts instead of muffins.
You're stupid!
As a child of God, what's your next move?
Thanking him.
When my parents take my phone away, so now I have to text her on my fridge.
Bro, how are you recording?
Another fridge.
Sampu.
Ball cleaner.
I'm selling this glass door. Just needs to be assembled.